Good afternoon, ladies. I'm just going to do a really quick eye look. I am going to be using the colors Bubba, Zion, and You Complete Me. This is going to be a very, very simple everyday eye look. On my face, I've already got my face done, and I did everything with the BBF brush, the Best Blend Forever brush, and this is back in stock. If you like just a very, very light, natural coverage, this is the brush for you. That or the B squared. But this one is a smaller tapered end, and it does have the little detail end, so you can get up in those little areas. I actually went a couple shades darker than my normal shade today. I went with Sandy instead of Candlelit. Because I wanted still to be able to even out the tone, but I wanted light coverage. So I did this, I put Sandy all over, and then my normal shade, I went through and just brightened this area here just a little bit. And I do have the bronzer on my cheeks as well as plum. And I have plum and Frenchie mixed on my lips. So we're going to go through and do our eyes really quick. And I'm dropping stuff all over the place. But, alright, we are going to dip into Bubba. This is going to be just a really nice transition shade. And y'all know I normally do my eyes first, but I did my face earlier today. And I wasn't going to do my eyes, but since we're going to go out, I figured, well, I can do just a really simple look, upload it, and show you ladies. Alright, so we have just a little light layer of Bubba, and I'm using the eyeshadow everything brush. Alright, now we're going to go in with Zion. I'm actually going to use this tapered end here, because I want to get that a little bit more concentrated. And Zion, this color here, it is part of the new collection that they released today, and that is a limited edition collection. Once it sells out, it's gone. So if you want all of those shades, it's a perfect lip and cheek bundle. Well, I mean, it has the illuminator and the bronzer in it also, but it doesn't have the main foundation shades, but you can still add those for just a little bit more. If you need a color match, just message me. But you end up getting, I think, one of them for free. Like the way they priced it, you end up getting one of the products for free. And you get the mini double-decker and the Sistine compact, which I don't think the mini double-decker is available in Sistine except for in that package. I could be wrong, but when I looked at the website earlier, that's what it looked like. Alright, so now we are just going to blend again, because we just want to soften that. I do have a little bit of fallout right here. That didn't work. Okay. There we go. Now I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to go into You Complete Me, and you can see how beautiful, well, if it's not focusing on that, you'll see how beautiful it is. And by dipping, I mean, you could dip into the brush if you wanted to, but you're going to get a little bit more pigmentation out of the shimmers dipping your finger into it like that, and you're going to get a little less fallout. If you want it to be super metallic, take a flat brush like the multitasker here, spray some water, rose water, setting spray, something like that, and get your brush slightly wet and then dip into it, and it'll be super metallic and bold. Alright, that is our simple eye look. Now I am going to take this bottom end here, and I'm going to lightly dip into the Zion again, and I'm just going to do just a little bit underneath my eyes, and I'm going to try not to make a mess. Made a little bit of a mess. Okay, now we're going to clean up that mess. Okay. I'm not going to crimp my lashes today. I take that back, I am. Alright, we're going to do this just super quick because she's waiting on me to go to the store. So for those of you who don't have one of these, my lashes are long, but they go straight out. And here you can see how it curled my lashes up slightly versus, I don't know if you can see how straight they are there. I'll have to do a before and after on how to do this. But you don't want to look down or straight up. You kind of want to look just straight out. Grab the lashes and crimp on, and don't do this after you have mascara on. You risk breaking your eyelashes, and nobody wants to do that. Alright, so that just gives my lashes a little bit of a curl here, and I am going to just do some mascara, and I'm using the Unique 4D lashes. If you want to order some of this, I'll give you the contact information of the girl who I order this from. She's one of my photography clients, one of my maternity clients, and newborn clients. And I believe in supporting our fellow business mamas. Okay, you see the difference. I really do like this mascara, and it doesn't bother my eyes. So I have a lot of problems with wearing mascaras because they'll irritate my eyes. But this one hasn't given me any troubles. I also like the Styla, the huge lash ones. That has a little bit less fallout than this. And you can get it from Ulta. Alright, always do your bottom lash line, ladies. Can I have my eyeshadows? Yeah. Hold on. You're welcome. Alright, there we are. Now I am going to take a multitasker because you can see how my mascara touched my top just a little bit. So we're going to fix that. So I'm taking the multitasker and I'm just picking up a little bit of product on the tip of the brush. I don't feel like doing a liner today to correct that, so we're just going to go through and touch up the areas where the mascara touched. Clean up that line. Okay. That is our quick look for today. Oh, and brows. Let's do brows real quick. I'm just going to use a brow gel. And this is just in the tone Espresso. This is the NYX brow gel. I probably need to get one more of these in the shade darker. I feel like this leaves a little bit of a cast look on my brows, and I think it's just because it's a little bit lighter than what my actual brow hair is. So since I'm going to Walmart, I will probably pick up an extra one and a shade darker. The eyelash. Okay. Alright, ladies, well, that is our look. And my crazy hair. It's just a very, very nice summertime look. You know what? Let's do Dulce. Also, we're going to add a little bit of Dulce to our cheeks. Dulce is this illuminator, and it is really pretty. It's very subtle. And it has like gold flakes in it. We're just going to add a little bit of that. there. Give us a very summertime look. Now the collection actually has Angel in it, and Angel is a pinky rose gold kind of shimmer. I'm gonna add a little bit to our brow bone there. Okay, ladies, we are done. I'm gonna go to the store now. Yay. Alright, bye girls.